Managing information technology project demands high level of technical skill along with the project management ability. Managers in the IT organizations are responsible for both IT infrastructure as well as a team that manages resources. To be successful manager, one need to have a basic understanding of networking, storage, software, technology, data and IT management practices used internationally. Also, you need to have a strong understanding of project and process management frameworks. There are many certifications in this space. However, it all depends on the project methodology your organization adopted and where you want to invest your time will decide your career path. Hi, welcome to Short Courses. Today we will look at some of the best internationally recognized certification that will help you become a manager in an IT organization. CompTIA Project Plus certification is offered by Computing Technology Industry Association to validate your knowledge and expertise in handling smaller and less complex projects. This can be used as a stepping stone to understand the dynamics of project management and learn from it. This covers project management skills and tests your ability to initiate, plan, and execute projects in a systematic way using CompTIA framework. CompTIA Project Plus certification is best suited for people who are at team leaders level who are aspiring to be next managers and take a larger responsibility. CompTIA Project Plus certification touches upon the concept like project lifecycle, project communication, resource management, stakeholder management, and documentation management. The fees of CompTIA Project Plus is US $319 and there is no renewal fees for this and this certification never expires. This is the right certification for the people who want to get into project management from a team leader level. The next one is Cobit framework. Control objects and information and related technologies are commonly known as Cobit framework is an IT management framework to help develop, organize and implement business strategies using the information management governance model. This framework is developed and managed by ISACA, that is Information System Audit and Control Association, is an international professional association focused on IT governance. Taking a Cobit exam like a foundation or expert level and implementation will showcase your understanding and expertise in handling current IT challenges and how Cobit framework can be used to fix these problems. The Cobit exams are offered by many vendors and fees varies from place to place and vendor to vendor. And there is no renewal and it never expires as such. If you are ready for IT service management, this certification is good start for you. Next one is ITIL. ITIL from Axilos is one of the leading IT service framework that is popular in IT service sector. If you are looking for IT service company that practices ITIL, then this is the best choice for you to go up the ladder. ITIL focuses on implementing effective management practices and framework commonly known as ITSM. There are multiple levels of ITIL certification from foundation to expert level. Each level demonstrates the level of competency you have in ITIL framework. There are various vendors offers ITIL certification and fees varies from training provider to provider and location to location. This ITIL certification never expires. If you are looking for a management position or a manager position, this is a good starting point. Go ahead and grab. Another credible certification is PMI Agile Certified Practitioner or commonly known as PMI ACP. PMI ACP is a certification for those who want to practice agile methodology of software development program. This is a certification by PMI Institute for Agile Practitioners. This certification demonstrates your ability to work in an agile environment and lead effectively. Some of the concepts like Scrum, Kanban, extreme programmings are covered in this certification. Like any other PMI certification, this has a prerequisites. This needs a 2000 plus hours of project management experience to take up this exam, or you should be a PMP certified professional with the additional requirement. The exam will have a 120 questions with a multiple choice and it will cost you around $435 to $495 depending on the member or non-member of a PMI. It expires for 3 years and This is a good starting point for people who want to take up a project management career. Popular certification is called Scrum Master or Certified Scrum Master. Scrum is the agile framework or a process methodology that organization uses to develop software. It is developed in 1990s by Ken Schuber and Jeff Sutherland. This involves coding, testing, and debugging during the development and every step along the way. Scrum Agile methodology reduces development complexities and cost by following the Agile process, which focuses on the business deliverables along with the coding. As the world is moving towards the Agile, certified Scrum Masters are in demand in the IT industry. The CSM certification from Scrum Alliance is designed to certify you as a go-to person to help implement Scrum practices within the project. The CSM is in charge of leading a team of agile developers and work across the departments and project to ensure everything is on track. This needs all the skills for IT management, including soft skills to effectively handle the project challenges. With a Scrum Management certification, you will have a greater acceptance as a credible manager and also will have access to Scrum Alliance membership and resources. Certification from Scrum org is free and renewal costs around $100 and retaking will cost around $25 and the certification is valid for 2 years. This is the best choice for the people who love agile principle. Next is Lean Six Sigma certification. One of the most respected certification across the industry is the Lean Six Sigma certification. Lean principle helps business to reduce the waste and Six Sigma principles help to improve the quality. Six Sigma is a statistical term. In simple words, it talks about the quality of the product or service in such a high level. When you implement best practices from Six Sigma, you will be able to reduce your defect level to zero. When you implement Six Sigma, there are only 3.4 errors allowed in a million transactions. There are multiple layers of expertise called the belts like a karate, yellow belt, green belt, black belt, and master black belts. Each level depicts your expertise in the program management. Here, each level mentors the lower level of Six Sigma trainees, focusing effective leadership and change management in the organizational transformation. From there, you can move up to leadership hierarchy and take up the leadership roles. There are two ways to get Six Sigma certified. One is through internal training and internal project certification. The second one is through the external training and internal project certification. Training fees would vary and there is no expiry for Six Sigma certification. Next one is Certified Associate in Project Management or CAPM. As a manager, you will have to take responsibility of managing multiple projects in your career. Certified Associate in Project Management CAPM is an entry-level certification offered by PMI Institute, specially designed for people who have less expertise in project management. This certification from PMI will show your fundamental knowledge on the process, technology, and project management practices and ability to handle the responsibility of product management lifecycle. Cost of CAPM exam starts at $225 for members and $300 for non-members. Retake will cost around $150 to $200 respectively. The certification is valid for 5 years and will have to renew thereon. Security is very important. CISSP certification or Certified Information System Security Professionals are in demand globally. In this global connected world, security is the biggest challenge for organization. If you choose to take up a leadership role, protecting the digital asset will become the topmost priority. A certified information systems security professional from ISC will help you demonstrate your understanding and expertise around IT security and information management practices. CISSP certification covers a high-end concept like managing risk, communication, monitoring, and complex projects with a global presence. Earning CISSP will prove you have what it takes to effectively design, manage, and implement best in class security programs in your organization. This is not for the entry level people. This is designed for key positions like Chief Information Officer, Chief information security officer, director of security, IT director, or in mid-level security manager, security auditor, security architect, security consultant, network architect. All these people can take up this exam, and examination fees is $699, and renewal will cost you around $85, and this certification is valid for 3 years. If you are in pretty mid-level or a senior level, want to take up the security as your career path, this is the best certification you can go for this point of time. The next one is DevOps certification. DevOps is a process management methodology that will help develop software more efficiently and timely manner. It combines the software development practice and information technology operation, which will bring efficiency in software development process cycle. Using DevOps method, one can develop, test and replace software at a high reliability. Although DevOps is more of a culture than a certification, many organizations are offering a DevOps certification in different levels. As a good practice of program management, it is better to learn the new tools and technologies of software development and agile system to be ahead of all your competitors. This is one of the happening certification in the IT industry for the managers and leaders. Last but not the least is PMP certification by PMI Institute. PMP certification do not need any introduction. It is well recognized globally, one of the top certification for the project management. If you have come thus far, I'm sure you have heard about the PMP certification. If you need any more details, please go to a PMI org. They will give all the information on the PMP certification. As per some estimate, by 2024, there would be around 4 million PMP certified professionals are required to manage the project IT. That gives you an idea what's the kind of a size of opportunity. If you are in a management, want to get into project management, this is the right way and the best way. Just go and grab the opportunity. Finally, this certification will give you edge over others, and some tools and techniques will help. However, effective utilization of acquired knowledge through this certification is important as certification itself. It is better to choose a methodology which your organization follows so that you can practice this in your real time. Every certification has its own uniqueness and credential that needs different skills. Each level in the certification will give you more exposure to international project management experience. As you clear more and more certification, your value in the project management will go up and you will be global resources, as these are all internationally recognized certifications. So you know where to start now your journey. Hope this helps you. Do share with your fellow members. Grow together. Sharing is caring. We will be back with another informative video soon. Till then, take care. Have a wonderful day.